Wow, that's an awesome song. You just wrote that?
Yes.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. My hair looks crazy. I am setting up a little fruit plate for Atlas, which has some kiwi and mango. This mango is actually from Mommy Mitch's house. It's the first harvest. Yeah, I'm just doing a little kiwi for him as well. He likes fruits in the morning. He's a very particular kind of eater. So once he likes something and goes with it, then we kind of stick to that plan for him. It's so funny how you can have like everybody be like a bit different. Not everybody's gonna eat the same thing. I remember when I was a kid, I was a very picky eater, and my mom, she kind of obliged me a lot, but she also was like, when I cook 3 dinners, so try make you work. And I think she was right to do that too. But it did mean that some nights I didn't have dinner. That's okay. When I was a little girl, she tells me a story of how she took me to the doctor and said she doesn't eat. And she said she remembered the doctor saying to her, Mommy, she's not going to starve herself, so don't worry. So there, kiwi. And the older boys like Jackson Atlas are at a stage where they don't love breakfast. This mango kind of turned, so let's hope for the best. But yeah, do you remember going through that stage and phase, or do you have children who went through that too, where you're kind of like worrying about, you know, what they were gonna eat? Oh my, this is very turned. He will love it like this though. Sprinkle a little salt on it for him. Happy to go. Yes, I'm peeling it with a peeler. This is how I love my mango. So yeah, let me know. I think that's the one thing about like motherhood, like it's so easy to feel like these things are only happening to you and to your child. And the truth is, everybody goes through these things. So these particular mangoes, I don't know what type they are, but they're better eaten a little turned, because by the time they actually get to feeling ripe on the outside, they're normally too soft on the inside. So see, you can see that in here is just perfectly ripe. But if out here starts to look like this and in here is just mush out, it's not very fun. There, it smells great. See? Super orange and delicious on the inside. So this is actually the perfect way to eat this mango, in my opinion. Ivy already had breakfast. Ozzy already had breakfast. Jackson is still asleep. And I don't know if Wayne is asleep because the kids were very much in the room harassing him. So that's one thing I love about this mango too. The seed is so small. Yes, and he'll have fun enjoying this. Let me just take off this piece here. And he'll enjoy that too. And this, to me, is a great breakfast. Yum. No probs. Tell everybody how swimming went. Was it good?
Yeah.
You had a great time?
Yeah.
Are you going back today?
Yeah.
All right.
I want my swim.
Nope.
I wish I
That's not how
can.
we start our morning at Jackson.
Mommy, I wish I can have fun.
Jackson, there are Eggo waffles. There's bad dog sausages. Go set stop yourself.
I want some fun.
No gum.
Alright, morning MTM family. Up and running right now. Today is World Cup semi-finals. France versus Spain. It not get no bigger than that. I call it the biggest match of the World Cup so far. I hope it live up to the expectation. Me and the boys them going to go watch it. Pickle and chill. Also, let me tell you from now, Tami and myself going to be hosting the finals at the Pegasus. So don't bother come up in the yard for watch finals. Make sure to come out to the Pegasus and watch with us between 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. That is all powered by Flow. So all of my MTM family, all of my MTM score big people them. Just make sure say when you forward out and come watch the game with us. Cause yeah, me no want the Dewo man boring finals. Nah, brother, the finals, and no matter how it go, the finals are got big, finals are got hot. Two top country gonna be playing. So yeah. Before that, the kids have swimming, and we're gonna have to be balancing that until because Tami has her hair appointment. Right? Trust me.
I'm getting myself organized.
I just wake up and see bare message from my phone. Yo, make sure you're there from 1 o'clock. Cause you know,
Oh, come
it's hard
on.
to get to cheer them. And yo,
You're gonna be fine, honey.
it's gonna be tough.
It's gonna be fine. If anybody can make it happen, it's you. And you can do that for me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, my G.
You made your breakfast? Mm-hmm. Man come to the boat and want bubble gum for breakfast. Mr. Go make yourself some breakfast right now.
Just one game, Bookie. One big
match
game.
alone.
Big match. France, Spain, man.
Oh my God, my our side.
Don't high five her.
Our side.
Don't high five her.
Spain, right?
For our side. Tami got through about 6 teams since
I
World Cup
finalized
started.
on France.
Bro, I want the dictator to win.
Why you call him the dictator?
I want the dictator.
Don't call him that, man. Oh God, that's just rumors that them spreading in the press.
What's that?
Them say Mbappe is a dictator because anything Mbappe want, Mbappe get.
Oh.
No,
Basically.
he's the dictator.
You can do that?
Like he was telling them how to do their job. He was like,
Yeah. Yeah.
I want him to win though still.
Lock my fridge, it's not an AC. Speaking of AC, Wayne. I'm gonna AC them there.
The place I get hotter and hotter by the day. It just
It's not getting
humid
cooler.
and it's tough. You know, when you really feel it, when you walk out of the room that's cool and come into the set,
Yeah.
the hot box you down in a man.
You know it's hot when you don't even bother with hot water in your bed.
Oh,
Yeah.
no. When that happens, it's like, it's bad. Like,
I don't bother with this again. Anyway, I'm gonna go get myself an order.
Guinness
Come here.
World Record.
What is it?
Maybe I should be on the Guinness World
The
Record.
Guinness, Guinness World Records, bro. Him say him have the most teeth missing in the family. Him then a Gibby's World Record. Where is it going this morning?
I got breakfast in bed.
Who organized breakfast in bed for you?
Mommy, I got kiwi and mango.
Oh yeah, I say. Breakfast in bed with like a tray and them thing there. Oh yeah, I say. So mommy sort you out?
Mom just don't let me go in her room and watch on TV, and I don't have a TV in my room to watch. And my iPad is still on, and I want to watch Candy on my iPad.
Oh no. We have to sort you out then. You get snack though.
Yeah!
At least something good are going for you.
I don't have nothing to watch though. I don't have nothing to watch though.
You're gonna do the makeup now?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Nicely done.
What else? What else?
You want to pretend with this?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Is it lipstick?
It's actually for eyelashes. Careful. Cool. You have to close your eyes when you use it. There you go. And this is for eyebrows, sir. Here, you can take out this. Take that off.
Comb down.
Yeah. Okay, comb them up. Comb. Ready? Watch your eye. Be careful. So you have to be gentle. Comb. Well done.
What else? How I open it up?
Just pretend. We're not opening it. Let's just pretend. Okay? Great stuff. Great stuff. Alright, let's get your hair ready for swimming today, okay? And then you'll be all set.
Alright, breakfast settings. Get the day started right. Yes, eat.
I want some sauces. Sausage.
To be a father.
Oh, bigger.
So me never have none. Me never have my piece.
Next time.
What
me
time
some.
is it?
I'll see you guys later.
So
Love
tell me
you.
what you do with your hair.
I don't know. I'm just going to trim it up. And
No, you're not.
Here, why?
Yeah, trim it again.
Yeah, just sit up. Atlas. Have a breakfast with me. Some yogurt, blueberry, and granola. Let me take my vitamin then. Thank you for reminding me. Get up my vitamin tree again. Alrighty, guys. I know I said I'm not sure what I'm doing with my hair, but I really don't know. And this is the thing about like getting my hair done, especially with Leanne. I just never plan ahead. We just catch our vibes, we start talking, and we figure something out. But it won't be too much different from this, obviously. Like, it's not like I don't know. We'll see. World Cup is winding up, so the games are getting hotter now. So, you know, Wayne is very much into it and excited and all the things. So, like I said in the last video, it's just so nice to see how much the boys are a part of it too. I love this for them. Any bonding is good bonding, because when you get older, these are the things that you do actually remember. Remember when we used to go watch a football match with Daddy? For those of you who don't know, Blow by Blow, where I do my hair, is actually in the same plaza that Low Shoes and Supermarket is. So, very convenient. Alright, let me go do this and I'll take you along a little bit.
And everybody love me so. I love you very much. My daddy love me very much. And my brothers and my mommy and my family. When I was a baby, I was in a stage. And I was in my crib sleeping every day. And I will not be okay every day. Everybody know what to do every day. But I will be okay with me. I was a cute little baby in the family. But I will be okay. Hey, and I know what to do with my own heart. But I will be alright. And shake. Everybody know what to do every morning.
Wow, that's an awesome song. You just wrote that?
Yes.
Wow, that's a freestyle.
And I can do one more, okay?
Okay.
Everybody look into my own day. And I bathe every morning. I bathe in the night. And when I'm swimming every day. And I will swim every day. And no talking.
I'm not talking. I'm listening to you. The songs are so
You're
good.
talking.
Okay.
Everybody look into me. And nobody will not give me any chance to give me the whole world. I will be my own best friend away. Everyone know what to do every day. Everybody.
Okay. Sorry.
Everybody know what they're doing.
That's the best song I ever heard. In a weird period, right before swimming, where the kids them just attack me. Watch it. Attack me. It's the time. Let me see the time on your phone. Are you ready? Let me stay outside and wait. And I'm like, guys, just relax now. They love swimming. They love to be in the water. As a matter of fact, Atlas say I'm gonna go swimming instead of coming with us to the game. Mom will drop him later, and because he really enjoy it. When he think about it, I really swimming take precedence for him. It's certain.
Wait, again?
What time is it?
Come, it's time to go now, finally. Come guys, come. They say much time.
Yeah, man, big match. I've watched this. France, me I carry from the start. Dog.
Yeah, man. France
I know
are in
you
the
might
dance.
be rooting for Spain or whatever.
No, brother, France, me say another match here, man.
Mbappe will win.
Yep.
Especially because he missed it last time.
Yeah. Deserve one, man.
And I love it. I love having short hair this time of my life. I love doing something different. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. So I love it. So nice. Leon always does such a nice job with my hair, so I'm always happy for that. But I just blow dried it, and anytime I blow dry my hair, it always takes a second to just calm down. So it's calming down.
Yo, Boy Jackson just done wipe up him tears. Oh God.
That are real tears?
No real tears. No real tears, but France lose. Disappointed because they want France go finals. But right now, Argentina and England, them are saying anybody World Cup this. Right now, Argentina or England right now see the dream right now. Them a feel it, them a touch the trophy. Got the big favorite, them gone home.
Dad, go please. Dad, give me go.
Style and style can't spoil. What's that, a low bob?
A what?
No, you call it.
The names that you come up with.
No, me here when I say bob
Hello,
sometime.
Bob.
No?
You're not allowed any gum. Remember I found gum on my phone and it shouldn't have been on there and I put it up safe and you guys still found a way to put gum on my phone.
Hello.
Jackson team gone home.
Right home, France gone.
Ozzy, no! Tell him to say if no wants our team for go home, make me cheer for them.
Cha-cha. Wicked. So we are cheer for now in Argentina, England.
Oh, England, 100%. I thought it was obvious.
Sorry for England.
Wayne has gone to pick a ball with Atlas and Ozzy's fast asleep, but because it's summer, I'm not stressing it too much and I know he's really tired after swimming today. Ivy woke up from a long nap, so she's downstairs eating her dinner and Jackson is on the game. So I'm taking the opportunity to just get some work done that I have to get done. So yeah, that's it for me. I told you guys that if you want a team to go home, let me root for them. See there? France gone. I know that's an upset for a lot of people. The next match is gonna be proper big. So who you guys want me to root for? Whoever y'all want to go home, let me know so I can cheer full speed ahead. Anyway, let me finish up this work and finish up this vlog.